Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Are you a student looking to boost your tech skills, grow your resume, and even win some school swag? Then I have got something awesome for you today. GirlScript Summer of Code has partnered with Postman, the world's leading API platform, to offer students a completely free certification, the API Fundamental Student Expert Certification. This program helps you to learn basics of APIs using Postman tools, and once you complete it, you get an official badge, and you can even join social media challenges to win Postman swag. Why you should join? Used by over 30 million developers and trusted by 500k plus organizations, and learn real world skills for internship and jobs. Join a strong student community on Discord. No prior coding experience required. How to get started? Step 1. Go to this link and register. I'll be provided in description. Okay. Then step 2. Watch this quick video from Postman to understand the process. Step 3. Follow the documentation here. I have given in description, that is a read the guide. Then step 4. Join the Discord for help and updates. What you will get? Like benefits. Verified Postman Student Expert Badge. Then swag packs like t-shirts, stickers, etc. Recognition and community growth. Better job internship opportunities. So what are you waiting for? It's free, it's beginner friendly. Go, it's fun. Click the link in the description and start your API journey with Postman and GirlScript today. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Thank you guys.